Welcome to Bikes Reviews, your trusted source for in-depth insights into the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting performance cruisers in the market, the 2025 Ducati Diavel 1260S. Ducati has once again blended power, style, and advanced technology to create a machine that turns heads and delivers an exhilarating ride. Whether you're a longtime Ducati enthusiast or a curious newcomer, this detailed look at the Diavel 1260S is sure to ignite your passion for two wheels. Design and aesthetics. Aggression meets elegance. The 2025 Diavel 1260S stays true to the bold, muscular silhouette that defines the Diavel line. Its low-slung profile, sweeping lines, and wide rear tire give it a stance that's both intimidating and irresistible. Ducati has refined the bodywork with sharper contours and updated color schemes that emphasize its aggressive character. The new LED lighting setup, especially the unique headlamp and taillight designs, enhances its modern appeal while improving visibility. It's not just a bike, it's a statement of power and style. Performance. The heart of a monster. At the core of the Diavel 1260S is Ducati's 1262cc Testastrada DVT Desmodromic variable timing engine, delivering a staggering 162 horsepower and 129 Nm of torque. This engine isn't just about raw power, it's tuned for both aggressive bursts and smooth cruising. The ride-by-wire throttle, combined with multiple ride modes, allows for a customizable riding experience whether you're tackling city streets or open highways. The engine's deep growl and rapid acceleration make every twist of the throttle a thrilling event. Chassis and handling. Cruiser comfort with sport bike precision. One of the Diavel's most impressive feats is its ability to handle like a sport bike while offering cruiser-level comfort. The 2025S model comes equipped with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension on both ends, significantly enhancing stability and feedback. The tubular steel trellis frame contributes to a perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility, allowing for confident cornering and responsive handling. Even with its 240mm rear tire, the Diavel 1260S leans into curves with ease, giving riders a level of control that defies expectations. Technology and features. Advanced riding at its best. Ducati has packed the Diavel 1260S with top-tier tech features to elevate both safety and performance. It boasts a 3.5-inch TFT display, Ducati Power Launch DPL, cornering ABS by Bosch, traction control, wheelie control, and cruise control. The Ducati Quick Shift DQS up-down system comes standard on the S model, enabling smooth clutchless gear changes. Riders can also connect via the Ducati Link app to customize settings and view ride stats. These tech enhancements not only boost performance but also ensure a safer, more enjoyable ride. Comfort and ergonomics. Long ride luxury. Despite its muscle cruiser identity, the Diavel 1260S is surprisingly comfortable. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat make it suitable for extended journeys without sacrificing control. Ducati has improved seat cushioning and footpeg placement to better support long-distance rides. Passenger comfort is also considered, with a sleek yet functional rear seat and grab handles that blend seamlessly into the design. Braking and safety. Control you can trust. Braking performance is top-notch, thanks to Brembo M50 monoblock calipers paired with dual 320mm discs up front and a single 265mm disc at the rear. With Bosch's cornering ABS Evo, riders can confidently brake even when leaned into a turn. These high-performance components ensure that the Diavel 1260S can come to a stop just as quickly and confidently as it accelerates, adding an essential layer of control to its raw power. Conclusion. A new benchmark in power cruisers. The 2025 Ducati Diavel 1260S is more than just a motorcycle, it's a bold expression of design, engineering, and innovation. It offers the perfect fusion of cruiser comfort and superbike performance, wrapped in a package that's as technologically advanced as it is visually stunning. Whether you're looking for a daily rider with flair or a weekend beast with attitude, the Diavel 1260S delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning into Bikes Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world's most exciting bikes.